To point your GoDaddy domain to a website, you first need to understand the basics of domain name system and DNS settings. A domain name is essentially a web address that users type into their browser to access your website, while DNS settings translate this domain name into the IP address of your website hosting server. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the Domains section. Here you will see a list of all your registered domains. Click on the domain you want to point to your website. In the Domain Manager, click on the DNS Settings or DNS Management option. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your DNS records. The two main records you need to update are the A record and the CNAME record. The A record points your domain name to the IP address of your website hosting server, while the CNAME record points a subdomain to the domain name of your website hosting server. To update the A record, click on the Add or Edit option next to the A record. Enter the IP address of your website hosting server in the Points to field. If you are hosting your website with a hosting company, you can find this IP address in your hosting account details or by contacting your hosting company. Support. To update the CNAME record, click on the Add or Edit option next to the CNAME record. Enter the subdomain you want to point to your website in the Name field, and the domain name of your website hosting server in the Points to field. After updating your DNS settings, click on the Save Changes option to save your new DNS settings. It may take some time for your new DNS settings to propagate globally, so be patient and do not panic if your website does not appear immediately. It is also important to note that you should only update your DNS settings if you are sure about the changes you are making, as incorrect DNS settings can make your website inaccessible. If you are not sure about any part of the process, it is recommended that you contact your hosting company support or a professional for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully point your GoDaddy domain to your website and make it accessible to users worldwide.